In this video, I'll show you how to use Infinitone 2 within Tracktion Waveform. Waveform is a great DAW to get started with Infinitone 2 because not only can you run Infinitone 2 as a standalone synth, because it supports multi-channel MIDI, you can also connect it with another MPE synth directly within the DAW. So first thing to do is to select an input, and I'll select my keyboard as for a MIDI input, and then I will add Infinitone 2. And just make sure that the track is record enabled. And you'll notice that at the bottom of Infinitone 2, there's a keyboard mapping section, and you'll see some colors on the white keys. That just means that there's a scale mapped to the white keys of the keyboard. And just play the white keys. And you get a beautiful microtonal scale. Now, if you want to connect Infinitone 2 with another synth, then you can put that synth on a second track and just select the input as you route MIDI from the track. So route MIDI from track 1, and then record enable that as well, and then add an MPE compatible synth. In this case, I will use Serum 2. Now you'll see that Infinitone 2 is also controlling Serum 2. If you don't want Infinitone 2 to be playing with Serum 2, then just turn it off in the synth drop-down menu, and you can lock that so it stays off. And now whatever you play in Infinitone will come out in Serum. So you can actually select just any preset that you want, and it will play in Serum, the same scale. And then you can change the scale in Infinitone 2, and it changes in Serum. Now, it should be noted that when you do choose a synth to connect with Infinitone 2, it does have to be MPE compatible. There are many available on the market that are. And just make sure that the MPE is enabled in your synth. So in the case of Serum, there's a drop-down menu and it just says MPE enabled. And just make sure that the MPE bend range is set to 48, and it will work perfectly. I really hope you enjoy using Infinitone 2 within Waveform. Like I said before, it's a great DAW to get started with because it is fully functional and fully compatible.